In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect Google Gemini with your Google Workspace to access your Google Drive effortlessly. If you've ever found yourself juggling between applications to fetch a simple link or document, this guide will show you an easier way to do it using Google Gemini. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head straight to Google. Once you're there, type Google Gemini into the search bar. This will bring up several results, and you'll need to look for the official Google Gemini website. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it to get started. Once you're on the Google Gemini website, take a moment to locate the settings icon. It's usually positioned at the lower left-hand corner of the page. Clicking on this will open up a new menu with several options available to you. Here, find and click on Connected Apps. This section will allow you to see which applications can seamlessly integrate with Google Gemini. Now here's a crucial step. You'll need to enable Google Workspace. Doing this will let Google Gemini interact with various Google services, including Google Drive. Once it's enabled, you're almost ready to go. With that setup complete, it's time to start a new chat session. You can usually find the new chat button prominently displayed on the interface, so click on it to begin. This is where the real magic happens. Now imagine being able to command your digital world in a few simple steps. Type in a prompt like, "At Google Drive, give me the link for my typing speed folder." This is a clear instruction for Google Gemini to fetch a specific folder link from your Google Drive. Once you've entered it, there's one more step to complete this action: clicking Submit. After you hit Submit, Google Gemini will do its thing, and within moments, you'll see the contents of your Google Drive folder. You'll have quick access to the link you requested, all within a few clicks, and without ever leaving the Gemini interface. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to integrate Google Gemini with Google Workspace to access your Drive files quickly and efficiently. This method not only saves time, but also streamlines your workflow, allowing you to focus on what matters most. So next time you need something from your Google Drive, remember how easy it can be, and save yourself the hassle of navigating multiple applications. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your digital interactions a little smoother.